administrator. Verification successful. Press 1 for user management. Press 2 for system settings. To add an administrator, please press 1. Please enter a user number from 1 to 5, or press pound key to generate automatically. 0, 0, 1. Press 1 to add fingerprints. Press 2 to add tags. Press 3 to add passwords. Please place your finger on the sensor. Please press again. Please press again. Please press again. Operation successful. Unlocked. 0, 0. Press 1 for user management. Press 2 for system settings. Press 3 to restore factory settings. Press 1 to add administrators. Press 2 to add regular users. Press 1 to add fingerprints. Press 2 to add tags. Press 3 to add passwords. Please input a new password. Please input again. Operation successful. Please swipe tag to register. Operation successful. Unlocked. 0, 0, 1. Press 1 to add administrators. Press 2 to add regular users. Press 3 to delete user numbers. Press 4 to delete user types. Delete successful. Please verify administrator. Verification successful. Press 1 for user management. Press 2 for system settings. Press 3 to restore factory settings. Press 1 to set time. Press 2 to select language. Press 3 for volume settings. Press 4 to set two-factor unlock. Press 1 for English service. Pressione 2 para português. Setting successful. Press 3 for volume settings. Press 1 to increase. Press 2 to decrease. Setting successful. Press 4 to set two-factor unlock. Press 1 to increase. Press 2 to decrease. Setting successful. Please enter second authentication method. Unlocked. Secure lock enabled. Secure lock disabled. Setting successful. Secure lock enabled. System initialization. Please wait. Initialization successful. Please verify administrator. Verification successful. Requesting remote unlock. Unlocked. 000. Requesting remote unlock. Unlocked. 000. Updating temporary passwords. Unlocked.